So to access the compass calibrations, as well as your IMU and gimbal calibrations, you're going to press on the drone icon on your top. That's going to bring up MC settings. From your main controller settings, we're going to scroll down until we see advanced settings. Press on advanced settings, and from here, we're going to press on center state. This is going to bring up your IMU as well as your compass. If you want to calibrate either of those, just press the calibration button and you're ready to roll. Again, what we're going to do is we're going to press the drone icon up top. And we're going to scroll down in MC settings to advanced settings, center state, and we've got IMU and compass right here.